Hello YouTube, I'm Musikev, and welcome to Zelda Month. I've been uploading one video a day on either this channel or my other one. At this point, I've done 5 top 10s on my Musikev Plays channel, and this is the first of 2 in-depth discussion series of the musical top 10s, being musical characters in Zelda games. My 8th favorite musical character in Zelda games was Rael from Spirit Tracks. In Spirit Tracks, you're given a pan flute, which you can actually blow into by using the 3DS microphone. Cool. That's like a lot of flutes in Zelda games. Even the ocarina can count as a flute. In Link to the Past, tell me that sprite isn't an ocarina. Anyway, in addition to the pan flute, the Locomos have sacred instruments that they play with you as well. My winning one, Rael, uses the shawm. Alright, we'll start with that. What is a shawm? The shawm is most effectively compared to an oboe, both being double reed woodwind instruments with similar shapes. However, the sound itself is better compared to that of a trumpet. Due to the small amount of contact with the reed, volume control isn't much of a thing that can be done. Plus, with different sizes, you can get a quartet or quintet of them, with the bass shawms resembling the bassoon in shape. So, long story short, Rael has a cool ancient instrument that matches the aesthetic of the pan flute. Let's go back to more about Rael himself. His name is an obvious play on the word rail. What? Too obvious? Fine. Rael is the last Locomo that you meet, unlocking the Sand Temple, where the Bow of Light resides. You know, the ultimate weapon that's used to defeat Maladus. After doing the story quest, he gives you a side quest. His side quest has to be one of the best. He wants you to gather some cuckoos for his research. He wants to use their infinite power to the benefit of all. Time for another aside. I don't know what kind of person is watching a Zelda Month video without knowing about the cuckoos, but just in case, allow me to clarify. Cuckoos, when threatened, and by threatened I mean beat to crap by Link, go into murder mode. It crows, summons a bunch of friends, and pursues you until you die. Or leave the screen. Cuckoos are immortal. Plus, they can pretty much carry your weight just by flapping their wings. Cool instrument? General discussion? Cuckoos? Yep, check, check, check. Alright, I think that's enough for Rael. Be sure to like this video, since I like validation, and also make sure you subscribe so I can see you all tomorrow as I continue the in-depth look at the top 10 musical characters in Zelda games. If you missed the list that I'm basing this on, or any of my other lists, the link to that playlist is going to be over here. And while you're over there, subscribe to that as well. I'll be doing more top 10s on that channel. Alright, see you tomorrow.